Good. Now you're filming.
Yay! Yay! It's on. Let's go. First run on Mont Tremblant. It's very busy here at the top. We're going to go down the easy run. Petit facile, easiest route. Of course, the signs are in French and English. We are in Quebec. Lots of French. Lots of languages being spoken.
But it certainly looks good. Like if you
It does look good. You want to? Should we just go down that?
Are you okay going down the
Yeah.
I'm fine with anything.
Yeah, she's good with anything.
Yeah, just take lots of turns.
Yeah.
The snow is a little, you know, clumped up.
Yeah. Yeah, this looks good.
You going to go first?
I think I need to tighten my boots. I tightened them at the top, but they still seem a little loose. There goes Rose. Red ribbon to tie on my ski pole. We were rushing this morning, but we do have our green King of Prussia ski flags on.
This is quite nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, so my GoPro's acting up.
Really?
Yep.
It's snowing today. I got to get my mitten back on. It's a little hard one-handed. All right. I'm gonna tuck my poles under. So today is Wednesday, day 3 of skiing. Snowing lately. Been getting out around 9:30 or 10. Today we got up maybe 9:45. We are on a green on the north side. Petite Bonheur. Okay, we found the sign. Refuge du Trappeur. And you go back there. It's supposed to be live music at 1 o'clock. I'm not sure what time it is. Yes, those are outhouses. Now this is a fun place. You get hot taffy, you come out here, you roll it in the snow, and it cools off. It's like a long strip of taffy, and then you roll the stick to make it into a lollipop. And it's only $3. Canadian, that is. The astronaut is for the mission laser. Our group dinner is at La Petite Cachet. Oh, you're gonna do the moguls? Okay. She's gonna do the moguls. I'm gonna get down there and film her coming down. Oh, there's no moguls. Oh yeah, there is moguls. All right. I don't know how to zoom it. I just kind of point it in the right direction. There we go. Woo, nice. Oh, please don't do that. Oh my God, Alyssa, please don't do that. I was in a weird stance too. Please don't do that.
Did you use your phone?
I use this.
I say phone. You're like, okay, phone.
I didn't hear phone.
I said to. Yep.
We accidentally got on a mogul run. We did not read the signs correctly. We thought, oh, it's blue moguls. It's going to take us forever because I don't like doing moguls. It's got trees. Oh my gosh.
How about way over there to the right?
You think it's escape route? It looks smaller, right?
It looks like there's a path.
This is deep. Yeah, let's go that way. Thanks for watching.